Some people like to argue. They argue for the sake of arguing. They love arguing because they want to win the day. Being argumentative is their competitive nature. Paul reminds believers to do everything without arguing, and it's against our competitive nature. As part of the spiritual formation process of Christians, a lesson that we must all learn. Let's ponder the words of Paul. Do everything without grumbling and arguing, so that you may be blameless and pure, children of God who are faultless in a crooked and perverted generation, among whom you shine like stars in the world. Let's pose a question to God. Could you teach me how to stop arguing with others? Let's practice what you learned. Whenever you want to argue with someone, pray silently in your heart. Let's proclaim to others about your experiential knowledge. Share your spiritual lesson with a believer.